It's Vlogmas, day 7.
Piano in the
What's up, Fashion Forward Bam? It's your girl ChericeShana, and I'm back with another video. And this video, as you saw by the title, is a holiday gift guide for him. So the him could be whoever you want the him to be for. It could be for your boo thing, your bae. It could be for a brother. It could be for a father, an uncle, a homeboy, whatever. But this is a gift guide for men. I will have some links to some of the items listed down below, so you can just click and buy it if your heart desires. Make sure you follow me on all social media. Before I even continue, follow me on social media, please. All of my social media links are, of course, listed in the description as well. And like this video, comment, and let me know what you plan to buy him for Christmas. Leave me some comments, because of course there's other things that I probably will not mention or did not mention in this video that you have a great idea for as a gift giving guide for him. So without further ado, let's get started. So if your guy, your bae, your dad, your brother, your homeboy is into fashion, I definitely would suggest getting him a flannel or a sweater that you know that he would like. Or if he's not even into fashion, get him a flannel, something that he could use to spice up his wardrobe. A lot of guys, they surprisingly are into fashion and love how to dress themselves, and some guys just don't have a clue when it comes to dressing. So as the female in his life, make sure you go out and support and get him a really nice flannel, which I think is perfect for the holiday season, and it's also perfect for fall. You already know how the cute look is with a guy with a flannel in the holiday time. Something about it, you know. But I definitely would suggest clothing in general. So also, if you know if he's a shoe or a sneakerhead, go ahead and get him a pair of shoes that he's been eyeing for the past year, or give him a gift card, hint hint hint, gift card to a place that he normally shops so he can get something for himself. So that's a really great idea. Another great idea to get for a guy is some cologne. So I don't know what woman doesn't want a man or a guy to smell nice. So pick up one of your favorite scents, or if he has a specific scent that he absolutely loves, make sure you get him one, because at the end of the day, regardless on if it's a scent that he normally wears, you can never have too much of that really good smell good. Or if he doesn't have a clue and there's a fragrance that you like on a guy that drives you wild, make sure you go ahead and pick that up for your significant other, your boo, your bae, your father. You know, you just want the guy to smell nice, so you can pick him up some cologne for Christmas. If you live in an area that gets cold, you cannot go wrong with a hat, scarf, and glove set. There are plenty to choose from, plenty styles, plenty brands. I would suggest, if he drives, a really nice pair of insulated gloves for the wintertime, because baby, when it's cold outside, especially in the wintertime and your hands get to freezing, you want to make sure you keep them nice and warm, and you be able to drive and still be comfortable and all that good stuff. So a nice hat, gloves, and scarf set. And if he drives, definitely a nice leather pair of insulated gloves. And I'll definitely have a link to those gloves listed down below. So into the clothing, you can also add accessories like socks for stocking stuffers, Underwear, I'm not really sure if people would be comfortable getting underwear for like their dad or something like that. But, you know, if it's your significant other, your homeboy, you know he needs some underwear, go ahead and pick him up some undies, some socks. You can never have too much of those. Some undershirts, things like that. Stock up on those for Christmas as stocking stuffers. But I would not suggest those as like a main Christmas gift, if you know what I'm saying. For your active guy, he may really be into sweatpants or sweatsuits or jogging suits. Definitely want to pick up something like that in the clothing category as well. So moving away from clothes, let's talk a little bit more about some accessories. So for accessories, one thing that I see that's not gifted quite that often for guys is actually a travel pouch. Now, the great thing about the travel pouch is that he can put in his body washes, detergents, he can put in his colognes whenever he's going on vacation. So there's a misconception about guys not using pouches to put their travel items in, like their toothbrush and stuff like that. Yeah, they do. So you can definitely get him a really nice one for Christmas, and you can even put some little personal items in there for travel's sake. Like you can put in travel size cologne that you like. You can also spruce it up and put in some customized clippers or some beard clippers or razors and stuff like that inside of that travel case for him. So I think that's a really good gift idea. So for the cozy guy and you want him to be cozy at home, definitely could advise to get a pair of slippers to wear around the house for the holidays. I know that sounds like a cheesy gift, but you'd be surprised how many guys would love to have like house shoes or warm, fuzzy, like warm slippers to wear. And I'll definitely leave a pair in the description as well. If you're guys into taking pictures, you can definitely go the electronic route and get a camera. There's plenty of cameras that you can choose from. Cameras are personal preferences. Honestly, just depending on if he's a camera guy. There's lots of guys that are really heavily into photography. Definitely a camera would be a great option as well. And if your guy loves taking pictures but he's not the camera guy, you can actually go ahead and get him a lens, because I know there's a lot of guys that love taking photos of themselves on their phones. So a great thing is a lens kit, a camera lens kit that attaches to the smartphone for the guy to be able to take so much cool pictures and videos in different angles and all types of stuff like that. Trust me when I tell you, it's a lifesaver for the guy that loves to take fashion photos and post them on IG. Trust me, I know. And I'll also have a link to that below. For the historians out there, there's lots of people, it's been going all around the internet. People are trying to do ancestry DNA kits. And I really feel like that is a unisex gift, but it's a great gift to give a guy, especially one that talks about history, family history, lineage, and wanting to know where they come from. There's so many people with that question right now. So I definitely would say an ancestry DNA kit will be a great, surprisingly great gift for Christmas. And there's a sale right now on it and it's listed down below. Click that link to get it for the low. If you're guys into games, like video games, things like that, I definitely would say, why don't you go ahead and pick up a copy of a new game that he's been looking at or asking for. If you do got it like that and he's been asking for a game console, definitely go ahead and get that. That's an amazing gift for a guy to receive, because you know lots of guys love their video games, okay? But yeah, picking up a game would be great. Picking up a game console would be great as well. Or even picking up a membership to like a live where the guy can be able to play unlimited games online for a discounted price or for one price per year. So that'll also be a really good gift, like a 1-year subscription to be able to play any game that they choose. That's a dope gift. and still going on games, another dope gift to get a guy would be a gaming headset. So you know, when they're on Xbox and they're on live, or they're on their PS4 and they're on live, having a dope gaming headset so they can communicate with whoever they're speaking to out there in the game world, they'll be definitely happy with that as well. That's a great gift. So many people are into health and fitness for the holidays, and a perfect gift to give a guy that's on his health kick is a Fitbit. Fitbit is something I will also consider a unisex type of gift to give, but it's perfect for anybody who's on the health kick, period. All right, so a Fitbit definitely will be able to track what you're eating, how you're working out, the calories that you burn when you sleep. And like I said before, the gyms are filled, and they're filled with lots of guys trying to get their swole on. So make sure you go ahead and pick you up a Fitbit for your loved one. And the link, of course, will be down below. I keep saying there's going to be links down below. Just check the links. I named them all, so you know exactly what you're clicking on, okay? Another gift that would be amazing is an Amazon Fire Stick, you guys. So I recently received a Fire Stick as a gift, and I absolutely loved it. And you know, with the right videos that you watch here on the YT, allegedly, you'll be able to access, you know, every single thing on a Fire Stick. So I definitely would say that a Fire Stick is an amazing, amazing gift. And it's a really pretty affordable gift too, if I might say so myself. So a Fire Stick will be great, great, great as a gift for a guy. Another thing that I think will be an amazing gift for a guy is a heartfelt gift, which is a box. And in the box, you fill it up with all the things that he loves, all the snacks he loves, all the little knickknacks that he loves, have them in one box wrapped up just for him. I think that's an amazing and thoughtful gift, because you'll cover all of your bases of the things that he absolutely adores. Another great gift is a wallet. I definitely would recommend a wallet, especially because lots of guys like to run out here and wear their wallets out ragged, and nobody wants to be pulling out no nasty looking wallet. Or when you see a guy pull out a wallet and it's chunky and torn up and ripped up, it's not really presentable. But there's tons of wallets out there, and I've definitely found a wallet that has great grip, and it also has protection on there so that it's hard for somebody to be able to take anything or steal anything out of the wallet. So I'm definitely going to leave that link down below to that wallet, because that wallet's goals right there. But a wallet is an excellent gift for a guy for Christmas. Another great guy gift is definitely jewelry. So lots of guys that love jewelry would be so happy if you got him a piece that he loves, whether it be a pendant or a pair of earrings or a chain or even a watch. So there's so much to choose from. You can pick out what he likes and have it for him, or you can surprise him with something that he's been eyeing for a minute, or something that's pretty sentimental to you both. So that is also a great gift for a guy. Another great gift for a guy, and I'm going to stop it at this one, is going to be tickets. Tickets to a game that he loves. So guys that love sports are definitely not going to turn down some tickets, okay? Or even tickets to a concert for a favorite artist. So if his favorite artist is coming to town or coming to a city near you, and or his favorite sports team is playing in a city near you, it'll be a great idea to score some tickets for him to open up on Christmas to whatever date or whatever future date or tentative date that the game and or concert is. So that is also an amazing gift idea. And I'm pretty sure there's tons more ideas, but I am stopping there. So let me know what you guys think. Please, 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 please support my channel by liking this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content. Click the notification bell so you'll be advised as to when I'll be creating more videos and you'll be the first ones to know. Make sure you follow me on social media. All my platforms are listed down below. And until next time, bye.